Welcome to our guide on adding pronouns to your Pinterest profile on PC. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to personalize your profile and promote inclusivity by displaying your preferred pronouns. This is a simple yet impactful way to ensure others address you correctly and to support a more welcoming online environment. Let's get started. First, head over to Pinterest.com and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon there. Click on it. This will take you directly to your settings. In the Settings menu, you'll find several options to adjust your account preferences. Look for Settings and click on it to proceed. Now that you're in the settings, find and click on Edit Profile. This section allows you to modify various aspects of your public profile, including your name, bio, and other personal details. Scroll down until you see the Pronouns bar. This is where you'll select your preferred pronouns from the available options. Click on the Pronouns bar. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a list of pronouns to choose from. Simply click the pronoun that applies to you from the available options. Once you've selected your pronouns, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page, and click on it to apply the changes to your profile. And that's it. You've successfully added pronouns to your Pinterest profile. Now, when people view your profile, they will see your pronouns displayed next to your name, making it easier for them to address you correctly. Adding pronouns is more than just a personal touch. It's a step towards creating a more inclusive and respectful online community. By displaying your pronouns, you help normalize the practice of sharing pronouns and show your support for gender inclusivity. If you ever want to change your pronouns or remove them, simply follow these steps again and select a different option or clear the selection. Your profile will automatically update to reflect the changes. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Pinterest. And as always, feel free to leave your comments and questions below. Happy pinning!